What's the meaning of Checkpoint Charlie? Checkpoint Charlie. Checkpoint Charlie.
Checkpoint Charlie. Checkpoint Charlie. Checkpoint Charlie was the name given by the Western Allies to the best-known Berlin Wall crossing point between East Berlin and West Berlin during the Cold War. It was established in 1961 and remained in operation until 1990 when the wall was demolished. The checkpoint became a symbol of the Cold War, tensions between the East and West, and the struggle for freedom. Today, there is a museum dedicated to the checkpoint's history, and it serves as a reminder of the division that once existed in Berlin and the world.